Cuts have been dealt a massive blow to Johns Hopkins University, costing the institution more than $800 million. School officials warn this isn't just a setback for Baltimore, but for the entire region. Our Wisdom Martin explains why.
The impact of federal funding cuts on Johns Hopkins University affects staff, students, research, and expansion projects. Baltimore Mayor Scott advises pushback.
The number one thing that we have to do is fight what's happening in D.C. and push back on the irresponsible nature in which they are going. It should be shameful.
Alicia Wilson is the Vice President of Community Engagement and Opportunity at Johns Hopkins University. She says the university's commitment to the community is deep and widespread.
From violence prevention to health care. And so in many ways, we're a problem solver, but we're also an educator and a healer and really care deeply about this community.
Federal funding cuts are now impacting the timeline of some construction projects and potential jobs. They are considering cutting capital projects by 10 to 20%. In a letter to the community, Hopkins University advised cuts in federal funding is resulting in a hiring freeze, a pause in pay increases. The university has already lost more than $800 million in U.S. aid grants. They write, since January, we have had 90 grants terminated by other agencies, resulting in the loss of more than $50 million in federal research funding, with more terminations arriving every week.
We have everything from clinical trials around cancer to research that's helping for us to discover the outer limits of the universe.
Hopkins University expresses concerns about the feds undermining student financial aid and faculty support funds. They worry about revoking or withholding visas from eligible international students and scholars.
All right, that was our Wisdom Martin reporting. University officials are worried more federal cuts could be coming in the coming weeks and the coming months.